Hi dear teachers, my dear students and my friends. Today I would like to teach you about the transitive and intransitive verbs. If the verb has object in a statement, that verb is called transitive verb. If the verb has no object in a statement, the verb is called intransitive verb. Now let us take some examples which are related to the transitive verbs. I like music. I drink milk. I play cricket. I eat mangoes. These are the sentences. If you find all these verbs which are in these statements, all the verbs have the objects. So that these verbs which are in these events are called transitive verbs. Now let us take some examples for intransitive verbs. The earth is round. Life is beautiful. I eat, we eat, they learn, they speak. In such a way, if you use these statements, will have the intransitive verbs because these statements have no objects in them. If the verb has object, that is called transitive verb. If the verb has no object, that is called intransitive verb. We can change from active voice into passive voice when the statements contain transitive verbs. Means the verbs which contain objects can be changed into passive voice. If the verbs don't have objects in the statements, we cannot change them into passive voice. Honey is sweet. This is the sentence. In this sentence, there is no object except complement sweet, so that it cannot be changed into passive voice. For good and all, the statement honey is sweet has no passive form. In such a way, we should identify the verbs which are in the statements, whether they are transitive verbs or intransitive verbs. I eat mango. Here mango is the object. Here the verb eat as the object. So that this is in active voice. It can be changed into passive voice. I eat. Full stop. This is also sentence. But here there is no object after the verb eat. So that here eat is intransitive verb. In such a way you can have the command over transitive and intransitive verbs. This is the very important point that we have to remember while changing active voice into passive voice. If the statement contains complement, it cannot be changed into passive voice. If the statement contains object after the verb, it can be changed into passive voice. Okay, in my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.